fathers, ingrained souls condemned for all eternity. In this show to your fucking deity. Kill, living in an age of distrust, confrontation, suppulsive habit. I am now south of heaven.
Okay.
Give it up! Hey, it's my wall.
And your opinion on this is?
Huh?
Your opinion on this is?
That whole fucking crazy.
Stop with the fucking whistling.
I'll kill you, Andrew.
Hold this. I'm recording.
Hey, come on!
She's all trying her hardest to get it.
You're trying to fuck, you fuck.
Shut up, fuck.
Fucking fucker.
You're a fucking fucker.
How are you?
You fall too.
And we're back.
That was a Snoop Dogg move, I think. What? You guys caught me up after this shit
How have you been?
Pretty good. I got Sid's just fucking nut, dude.
Alright, hey, come here real quick. I need to talk to you about that. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.